My name is Dr. Chirag Shah, and I'm the Clinic Director of Chiro 1 Wellness Centers of Burridge. Today, we'll be focusing on our immunity series on how nutrition plays a pivotal role on our immune system. Generally speaking, in order to maintain a healthy immune system, nutrition experts recommend an anti-inflammatory diet. An anti-inflammatory diet focuses on food groups that promote nutrients, antioxidants, and vitamins and minerals that ward off free radicals in your cells and tissues that promote illness and aging. As most people know, these anti-inflammatory food groups include lean pieces of meat, nuts and seeds, fruits and vegetables, and an assortment of spices. And we also recommend consuming twice as many vegetables as fruit to help curb your appetite. And we also suggest consuming a multicolored palette of fruits and vegetables to draw from different micronutrients. Conversely, inflammatory foods are foods that promote free radicals that act as scavengers to your cells' tissues that lead to illness and aging. These food groups include vegetable oils such as corn oil or soybean oil. Even though these are quote unquote vegetable oils, they are not necessarily healthy and definitely not nutrient dense. Other inflammatory food groups come from simple sugars such as breads and sodas, and one of the most common forms of inflammation come from fried foods such as French fries. Having a balanced diet can help improve your immune system through good nutritional habits. These nutritional habits, combined with a healthy nervous system through regular chiropractic care, can help allow the body to achieve optimal wellness. For more information on both chiropractic care and healthy living, stop by one of our offices. We would love to see you.